I hate this channel.
Come on! I like this! Huh?
Lacey, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
Hey you guys, we're gonna dive right into this tutorial. As you can see, I have this raggedy wig. I had it for a while. I have plenty of videos, up to 2 month, I believe, review on this hair, you guys. It's from CHANTICHE Wigs. And yeah, if you don't know who I am, you know, my name is Reesie, as you can see, and we are here balling on a budget. So we're gonna get right into this relaxer method. Alright you guys, I parted this wig in 4 different sections because I believe it's the easiest way to lather up this wig with this relaxer. So I make sure I detangle this wig, put on some gloves, and dive right in. So I am just applying this relaxer with a brush, I guess. And I just do each strand. I don't comb through this unit while I apply this relaxer because it just tangles the hair really bad, and I got scared. Like, this is an experiment, you guys. Like, this is my first time ever doing this to a wig ever, so it brought me back memories when I was buying this relaxer. I'm like, oh, like I used to just wear so many relaxers until I went natural, and so it's been a while since I even touched a relaxer box. So yeah, this took me about like 30 minutes to apply. I'm just gonna speed it up and get to the good part. And just to let you know, I did use 2 boxes, and I believe it wasn't even enough to lather up the wig how I wanted to. So maybe by at most 2 boxes, at most 3 boxes, but 2 boxes you can get away with. So you guys, I finally finished. Look how stiff it looked. Oh my gosh, it looked stiff. It felt stiff. Like, I was super scared that I ruined this hair because, you know, I tried really hard to get these highlights popping. So it's time to wash all this out, and I got some shampoo, I got some leave-in conditioner. I'm not even gonna lie, this was supposed to be put to the 2A, like, packet was supposed to be put in the relaxer, and I didn't even put it in. That's why it felt so stiff. But I got some silicone mix, the argan oil kind, to revive this wig back to normal. So we're gonna get started. So yeah, I got this stiff looking wig. Oh my god, they look like tree branches. Like, I don't even know what I did to this wig, you guys. It looks horrible, but I don't know, it still turned out pretty good, so I'm shook. but it took so long to rinse out this relaxer. Like, it took so long. So be prepared to be sitting there for a cool minute trying to wash out this relaxer, shampoo it, wash it out again, all that. So have patience, because this is a process. You know what I just realized? Why didn't I put this in the sink or in the tub to try to rinse this out? I use this little sink trying to act like it's doing something. It took forever. I think because of the water pressure. Like, just do this in the sink in the kitchen, or if you have a tub in the shower or something where the water pressure is a little bit stronger. So you guys, the hair did feel a little stiff after the fact that I used regular conditioner. So now I'm going to use the boiling hot water method, which I boil water, I use silicone mix, I use a blue bowl, and mix it all together and basically deep condition this wig. So I use 2 scoops of this silicone mix, which is kind of equivalent to a cup. And then I'll show you how it looks inside the bowl real quick. Like, this is how much I put in, you guys. I put that in first, and then I put the boiling hot water in this bowl, and then I just mix it together with the comb that I scooped out the silicone mix with, and I make sure all the conditioner is mixed into the water so there's no pieces left. So I just spend a little bit of time mixing the bowl together, or mixing the conditioner and the water together in the bowl. Like, what am I talking about? And then it's time to add the wig. So this is what the hair looks like after I briefly conditioned it. I didn't condition it for long because I already knew I was going to do the boiling hot water method. So, you know, I dip it in and out to make sure all the strands in the wig is lathered with this hot water conditioner. And then I leave it in for about 2 hours. I kind of just went and did some other work while this laid in, and then I rinsed out this conditioner. So you guys, this is what the hair looks like when it is fully dried. I did have to go back again and wash this hair with purple shampoo and purple conditioner to lighten up the highlights and get rid of the smell that keeps lingering. Like, the relaxer smell is super strong and I just do not like it, but it does look a little stringy, so we're gonna fix that by blow drying and flat ironing this unit. So I am going to get my handy dandy blow dryer with a comb, my Moroccan Sleek and Shine, because, you know, I ran out of the Garnier Fructis, the banana clips, I think that's what it's called, and the Sleek It by L'Oreal. This is just heat protecting spray because I'm about to be applying major heat, sis. I'm going to be pressing this hair. So I'm going to get some of my Moroccan Sleek oil, and don't mind, you know, the braids that I got in. They look horrible. But yeah, so we're going to use the highest heat and the highest dryer method and blow dry the whole wig. And this is what the texture looks like now when it's only blow dried. I did use the highest heat to try to straighten it out as smooth as possible, and this is how it looks. It looks very beautiful, and the stringiness is gone, so I just wanted to get rid of that stringy like texture. And as you can see at the ends, it's a little frizzy and dead, so we're gonna fix that by straightening this unit. So I'm gonna go into my 4 sections, because, you know, it's easier to work in sections, and I take the biggest section first. I'm going to use the Sleek It again to protect this hair because I'm putting major heat to this hair. I'm going to use my electric hot comb in the highest heat, which is 20, and I'm going to run that through first and then use my flat iron by high, and it goes up to 410 degrees. So I do use the highest heat for both of the flat iron and the hot comb, and just do the comb through method. It was so hot that I couldn't use the smaller comb, so I had to use a bigger comb to do comb through method. As you can see, I have a piece that is hanging off. I did add tracks to this unit to make it longer because this is an 18-inch unit, if you guys are wondering. So I had to go back and sew that back down. And this is the final result. It's very sleek, very shiny. The blonde pieces still is a little frizzy, but after a few days of wearing it, I don't have any flyaways. It's pretty dope that this relaxer worked. I do have my initial review when I first wore it right after this, so yeah, my opinion did change, but overall I wouldn't want to do this relaxer method again at all. So you guys, overall I wouldn't try it on any other of my wigs. The texture of this hair feels more, it turned into a yaki type texture now. It does look appealing, but when I run my fingers through it, it is very thick. I feel like I lost a lot of luster in the hair. So if you are trying to revive your hair, just do the boiling hot water method with silicone mix and it will revive your hair. I did want to try this relaxer on this hair, and unfortunately I just don't like it. So if you were thinking about it, most definitely, if you want to turn curly hair into straight hair, you can do the relaxer method, but overall I wouldn't do it again. This is my one and only time doing it. I don't like how the smell is lingering on the relaxer smell lingering on this hair, but I still like that this hair is still wearable. I was super scared that I like burnt up the hair and it's no longer like wearable. So I'm excited that it still looks appealing. Let me know down below if you guys like how it looks straight, because I always have it curled up. And yeah, talk to you guys soon. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.